Metals are exploding, the equities are exploding, and what a lousy day to be in agriculture. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, July the 20th. And man, the markets were getting cracked early this morning, and now they're flying along. Well, actually, the S&P and the Nasdaq are flying. The S&P and the Dow and the Russell are severely lacking the overall action. But at the end of the day, again, we're long the Dow, we're long the S&P, we're long the Nasdaq, we're short the Russell. So kind of a pretty good move. But again, the same issues apply. There's a lack of liquidity in equity markets. They're forcing everybody into equity markets, which only makes the bubble grow that faster. Of course, nobody knows when it's going to end. At some point it will, but we'll be on the right side when it does. But right now, we're just long, basically, and we're going higher. Right? Gold and silver are exploding higher, again, making new near-term highs once again. I think en route to their all-time new highs. Now, again, it's not going to happen tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be. There's going to be always some pullbacks and so on. But it looks like we're breaking out, and it looks like platinum, although we're short, it looks like platinum may be finally turning around the corner as well, and may turn over very quickly here as well to become a long. So we'll see. Okay, we'll stay with our positions. Natural gas is getting hammered. Copper it was wild as you can imagine for copper. It's been up and down like a yo-yo today, making very, very big moves. It really indicates there's really a much bigger move coming. It looks like probably a trend change, which would be consistent with the economy slowing down and problems out there. You know, we keep forgetting about that there's problems, and of course, the continued shutdowns or the continued, there's less driving going on, there's less travel going on. Less does not equal buying a lot more stuff. So we'll see where it goes from here. I mean, the dollar, we reversed the dollar. We're now short the dollar, and it's slightly higher at the moment, but it's been on both sides of unchanged today. Again, we'll see. We're still long the euro currency, and that was up much bigger. Now it's also near that flat line trading around on both sides. We'll see what happens. Again, I don't get nervous. I don't think about it. When it's over, it's over, and we'll just simply go ahead and reverse it when that happens. And of course, the poor grain markets. Jeez Louise. Corn is getting pounded again, down about 6 cents. Now, at the end of the day, again, this is part of the lack of liquidity. This is part of the economics. There's no real demand. And that is going to, we're not just slowing here. The whole world is slowing. So everything is slowing down, just bulking at more supply. And of course, you've got every dime that's available for new money going into the equity market. So, and wheat's getting hammered again after a couple of big weeks. Now we're seeing wheat, back to back getting smushed. Beans are rallying again, which bodes well for soybeans. They look great. They look like they're going higher. Although we're short corn, we're short beans, and we're long wheat. But anyways, that's what it is. And of course, the meats are under some pressure today. Now again, we're still long cattle, both fats and feeders. The cattle itself, look, you expect a pullback. They're not going to the moon right away. We had big breakouts last week. And in hogs now, we did not reverse. And we are having a pullback, almost close to limit right now. But again, overall, we'll see when it changes. But we're not going to change until our algorithm changes. But again, at these levels, and the formation is starting to become bullish. And I would assume that at some point here, we'll be reversing hogs and getting along there as well. But again, we'll play it as they're called. I just give you some speculation. I did forget to talk about crude oil. Once again, got close to that 41, pulled back. It's trying to rally now. But again, to me, 41's about it. Okay, and we'll see what happens from there. And that's really what's going on. But the whole story is still the overall lack of liquidity. So in the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update for Monday. Remember, great family partner, the great partnership with Family Farms now. I'm doing a webinar for them tomorrow. That'll be awesome. And of course, don't forget about our brokerage partners. CTG for commodities and futures. They do all of our letter of direction trading, including mine. although I have other accounts elsewhere, but CTG is my letter of direction futures trading, which is great for myself. And of course, they got great customer service. Love doing business with them. They answer the phone when they're there. When you don't get voicemail. So it's a wonderful group to do business with. And the same goes for Tradier, for equity and options. Okay, first of all, it's $10 a month. That's always my first comment, because you're not getting anywhere for $10 a month. Second of all, we have their API, which as we automate more products, and we've got some new automation coming out this week, which is very exciting. But in the meantime, as we automate more, we need the API. Well, that's with Tradier. So not only do you get free commissions, you get the API to make it to automate it for you. Again, you want information, either one of those, just send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you their links. They have some special links for you. And of course, Andy Hecht, our commodity trader, man, did he nail the markets right now in commodities. You should see his latest, but weekly report, quarterly reports. You want to check it out, go to bubbatrading.com, Technomental. It's a great report, the best written. And last but not least, the high school program. Of course, we're rebuilding the high school program for hopefully a new school year. And you can help us out if you want at patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day.